As a lender, we have received a notification that a loan that we've previously funded has been successfully paid back. So it is time to claim the repayment. Either we can go to the notification center in the top right and see the notification that says that a repayment is ready to be claimed, and we could go to the loan detail through here, or we can check our dashboard where we can see the loan that we funded, that it is paid back, and that we can claim the repayment. Let's just quickly scroll to your asset, and we can see that we currently have no ERC20 tokens in our wallet. That's pretty important to see that we've actually claimed the repayment in a bit. So we can go to the loan overview and trigger the claim repayment in the top right corner. It's a pretty simple on-chain transaction where once we confirm it and once it goes through, we will claim this repayment of 101 and a little bit of PSEED tokens. So now that the transaction has gone through very quickly, we're taken back to the dashboard, where we see that our borrowing and of course our lending sections are empty because all the loans that we were interacting with have now been dealt with. And if I scroll down to the very bottom, I can see that we now have 101.64 and something PSEED tokens. So we have successfully claimed the repayment. If the loan that we funded would have defaulted, then we would claim the collateral in the very same way. The only difference would be that the loan status would say that the loan has defaulted and that we can claim the collateral.